Students, today I am going to teach science of class 4. Your today topic is force, work and energy. In previous lecture we have studied about force, work and energy. In previous lecture we have also studied about force and its uses, work, but today we have to study about energy, its different sources, different kinds of energy and uses of energy. Guys, you already know that energy is ability to do work. It means the capacity, the capability that we have to perform our work is known as energy. Its SI unit is joule. Energy, it means we have energy and energy gives us capacity to perform our job, to perform our task. It means we can say that it is the capability that we have to perform any work. Energy is, where does this energy comes from? Energy, how we can get energy? We can get energy from food that we take, and this food when digested, this provide energy to do different kinds of work in our daily life. As you all know that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It means we can say that energy is a term which can neither be created, we cannot create energy, we cannot destroy the energy, but it only change it from one state to another state. It means we can say that a great scientist Albert Einstein said that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, it only change it from one state to another state. It means energy can be converted to the one state to another state. So we can say that energy is a term which can neither be created nor be destroyed. It means energy comes from matter. Energy comes from matter, या energy obtained from matter. As you all know that each and everything in the universe is made up of matter, and this matter is the primary source to obtain energy. It means we can say that energy comes from matter, and each and everything in our universe is made up of matter. So energy is the primary source that is obtained from the matter, and matter should be converted into the energy, and energy should be converted into the matter. It means we can say that matter is the primary source to obtain energy, because each and everything in the universe is made up of matter, and energy can convert it into the matter, and matter we can obtain energy from the matter. Now there are different kinds of energy. First, the kinds of energy is potential energy. Potential energy, it means we can say that the energy is obtained due to the position of an object. It means we can say that the energy which is obtained by the position of an object. For example, the water present at the dam. It means water possessed at the dam can show potential energy. Now talking towards the another types of energy is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is what? Kinetic energy, it means we can say that the energy of an object due to the motion of an body. It means we can say that energy due to the motion of an object is known as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, now talking towards the another term, there is a heat energy. It means heat energy, we can say that energy which is stored in the form of steam. Just like we can say that the energy which is in the form of steam, we can utilize heat energy to cook our food. For the cooking of food, for the burning of anything, we need heat energy. So we can say that heat energy is also very important for us. Now chemical energy. chemical energy, it means we can say that the energy that is obtained from the chemicals, yeah, energy which is stored in chemicals is known as chemical energy. Chemical energy, it means we can say that you can see different types of batteries that is present in at your house. Sometimes you can see that after few days, after few months, battery are exhaust off. It means they are not utilized, they are not for our utilize, because the energy that is the chemical that is stored in the battery get exhaust off by the properly utilization. So we can say that energy due to the chemical stores energy in them, and that type of energy is known as chemical energy. Now talking towards the another term, which is the electrical energy. Electrical energy, it means we can say that the energy which is obtained by electricity. Electricity, you have seen different types of electrical appliances at your house, just like that television, refrigerator, air conditioner, etc. You use different types of electrical gadget just at your house, fan, motor, electric motor, etc. These all convert electric energy, these all utilize electrical energy to run. It means we can say that electrical energy is energy due to the electricity which is obtained from the electricity to run electrical appliances. For making our life more comfortable, this energy can play a vital role in our daily life. Now talking towards the another term, that is the atomic energy. Atomic energy, it means we can say that the energy which is obtained due to the joining or breaking of an atom. Due to the joining or breaking of an atom, the energy which is obtained is known as atomic energy. Nowadays, atomic energy is utilized to produce electricity. It means atomic energy is very essential. It is obtained when atoms are joining or breaking. It means we can say that when atoms get joined or break, it produces an energy that is known as the atomic energy, and it is utilized to produce electricity. Now talking about the another term, one is another last form of energy is magnetic energy. Magnetic energy, it means what? It means the energy that is possessed by the magnet to attract magnetic substances. It means we can say that the object which is made up of iron, nickel or cobalt, a magnet have property tendency to attract magnetic substance towards it. It means we can say that this energy is essential to attract magnetic substances made up of iron, nickel or cobalt, and this energy is possessed by magnet. Now talking towards the sources of energy. Sources of energy, guys, you have already know that sun is the ultimate source of energy and it produces solar energy. We use solar energy in different method. Nowadays solar energy is also utilized for producing of electricity. There is also a different types of energy, just like moving water. Moving water is also a source of energy that is used to produce electricity. Moving wind can also produce energy. It is also used for produce electricity. Geothermal energy, volcanic eruption and earthquake are caused due to the geothermal energy. Now today we have studied different kinds of energy as well as the sources of energy. You have to just make question answer of what is force, different types of force, uses of force, and energy, its types, uses of energy, and also you have to make what is work, and according to science, when we said work is done or when we said work is not done. Now in another lecture we have to do different types of question answer related to this topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.